Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 9th of September, and first of all, national news. Global crypto regulations focus at G20 summit. Government to support 75 lakh women in SHGS become Lakpati Didis in 2023-24. PM Modi to held 15 bilateral meetings over 3 days. Exhibitions at G20 venue to showcase India's culture, art and technological advancements. Ladakh issued fresh dates for Hill Council polls as Supreme Court allowed National Conference to retain party symbol. US President Joe Biden landed in Delhi, set to hold bilateral talk with PM Modi on sidelines of G20. Will accept India's name change to Bharat if formalities complete. United Nations. Now some international news. Not hopeful of Ukraine-Russia peace solution in immediate future. UN chief. Time to move on. Former Finnish Prime Minister Sanna Marin quitted politics. Heading to G20 summit with clear focus. UK PM Rishi Sunak. Russian delegation in North Korea in fresh sign of border reopening. Monitoring carefully, US on China facing economic challenges. North Korea launched its first tactical nuclear attack submarine. US Treasury Secretary Yellen said she will press for IMF World Bank resources at G20 summit. First phase of releasing treated wastewater from Fukushima to end on September 11. Not hopeful of Ukraine-Russia peace solution in immediate future. UN chief. Now sports news. India versus Pakistan Super 4 clash in Asia Cup will have a reserve day. Ruturaj Gaikwad attended practice session in Pune to prepare for Asian Games. India announced 23-member squad for SAF Under-19 Championship. Delhi's Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium to host newly promoted Punjab Football Club's home matches in Indian Super League. Ariana Sabalenka fought back to beat Madison Keys, qualified for US Open Women's Singles Final. Now some business-related news. 3D phase of mandatory gold hallmarking began in 55 districts, 17 states. Reliance partners with NVIDIA to build artificial intelligence supercomputers in India. RBI decided to withdraw incremental CRR in phased manner by October 7. RBI approved appointment of Deepak Gupta as interim MD and CEO of Kotak Mahindra Bank. India needs to grow at 8 to 9% for 20 years to become developed country by 2047. Deloitte. Science-related news. Sun-like star repeatedly shredded consumed by black hole, spotted by astronomers. Fossil of bizarre bird-like dinosaur with surprising features discovered in China. NASA's MOXIE experiment completed mission successfully, generated oxygen on Mars. And that's all in news. Thank you.